Chad, I think we need to play the outro song. Well, I'm gonna put 10 on. Chad, I'm putting 10 on. Whoa! We got an egg bomb! Oh my God! Yo! King Josiah with the $300. Everybody say thank you, King. Thank you, King. You really are a king. This next one's for you, King. Chat, oh my God. All right. Here we go. This is the one. Right here. Right now. Right here. Right now. This melon is soaking wet. And it's about to blow. Let's do this, chat. Let's do this. Oh shoot, it's lagging a little bit. I'm sorry, chat. It should stop. It should stop. Okay, we're good, we're good. All right, boys. Here we go. That's 10. 10. Oh my God. Y'all, it's really, the juices are coming out. The juices are coming out. The juices are coming out. You gotta like spank the rubber bands on it so that it really cracks. Oh my God. Oh my God! Oh my God, chat. Oh my God. How has it still not popped? Dude! Chat. Oh my God. All right, I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back in. Oh my God. Chat, my fingers are literally starting to bleed. Y'all, I am making my fingers bleed for you, chat. Smash like right now. You better, chat, you bet your ass you better subscribe to me. I'm literally bleeding for you right now, chat. I am bleeding for you. My little Sigmas. Okay. All right. Y'all, it should be any moment. There's water coming out the top, which means there's lots of pressure on the inside. Lots and lots of pressure. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the rubber bands on the middle of it to maximize the effect of the pressure. I am a scientist. I do science all the time. Do not try this at home. You will probably get hurt or something. Oh! Okay. All right, chat. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Chat, should I hit it with something? Y'all, it's like, oh my God. We have 600 rubber bands on. Why is it moving? Chat, I hear the bands. I can hear the elasticity, chat. Okay, we might have to go get another bag of rubber bands. I don't know how this thing is still holding. It's like, y'all, oh my God. Chat, somebody watch a video of like what happens when you, when it's getting really close. Like, does it make noises or like what? Okay. Okay? Okay! Oh my God. All right, all right, all right. Okay? Chat, I'm going to just speed run all these other rubber bands really fast. Chat, it's spraying me! It's spraying me! Chat, it doesn't want me to put them on. Keeps spraying me, chat. It's spraying me with its liquids. Oh. Chat, its liquids are really gross. Keeps spraying me with them. Oh my God! Oh my God! happening! It's happening! Chad, I hear it. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. I swear to God. I swear to God. I'm not. Oh my God, it's happening. It's happening. It's happening. I'm gonna do 5 more, chat, and it should be good. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so close. Oh my God. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, the last 3. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Chat, I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can see how crazy this is. Look at the indents on this thing. It is going to blow at any moment. She is going to exert herself all over the walls of this bathroom. Chat, its name is Michael. I need everybody in the chat to spam rest in peace, Michael. I need you all to spam rest in peace, Michael, right now. Everybody, spam rest in peace, Michael. Oh my God. Yo. There's no way. There's no way it survives all of these. There's no way it survives every single one of these rubber bands. There's no way. Like, there's literally no way. Like, chat. Oh my! Y'all, it's dripping off the sides. Chat, oh my, y'all, look at this. Look at this right now. Give my goggles, chat. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God, chat. Look. Guys. Guys, it is dripping down the sides. It is like any second now, it will be destroyed. I swear to God. Like, can y'all see it okay right there? Can y'all see it okay? Okay, there we go. All right. Okay. All right, chat. Everybody, I was here in the chat. I witnessed the death of this watermelon. I was here. I witnessed. I was there the day that Michael died. I was there the day that Michael fell. I was there the day that Michael perished. It's getting really slippery, chat. These juices are getting everywhere. Okay. Let's do I'm going to do, here's 4. I'm going to just put 4 on right now. I'm not going to make this lame like the last one. I will not stop until this thing explodes, which will be definitely very soon because, oh my God, look at it. Like, look at it. What the skibbity? Okay, here is 4 more rubber bands. 4 more rubber bands. Let's put them on. We are almost at a total of 600 rubber bands, ladies and gentlemen. I've almost done this entire pack. Okay, this side's kind of weak. We gotta increase the centrifugal force on this side. Ow! It almost just rolled over and exploded into my wiener. Oh, oh, crap. Oh! Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. 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 This is it. This is it. It's close. Oh my God. Everybody say I was here. This is it. This is it, Chad. I can feel it. Oh my God, it's liquidating all over me. Chad, it's too slippery to put more on. It's like literally like Chad, this melon is slippery, Chad. Oh my, Chad, the melon is so slippery. Oh my God. We got $50. Yo, Official King. Yo, shout out Official King. Thank you so much for the 50. Sorry that I just saw that. Chat, I'm too scared to go back in there, y'all. Chat, I'm too scared, chat. Chat, I'm too scared. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Chat. Okay. I have an idea. This is a very scientific idea, chat. I'm going to get my shoes, chat. It's a very good idea. Chat, I have an idea. Oh my God, it's dripping everywhere. Okay, chat. I'm going to take my shoes here. I'm going to slap each shoe on the side as hard as I can so that it explodes. Ready, chat? See if this works. This is for science. Okay, 3, 2. Dang, Chad, this melon tough. Let's go a little harder. God damn, Chad, this melon tough. Chad, why is this melon so hard? What the hell, Chad? All right, guess we got to put more liquid on it. Chad, this melon is so hard. Like, it's so wet. Like, every time I try to put more rubber bands on, they just slip off because of all the liquid that's coming out the top. Okay. Okay. It should be good now. I am putting Chad, this... We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 rubber bands left until we hit the 600 rubber band mark. Holy crap. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Chat. We have 2 more after this before we hit the 600 mark. Do you want me to play the outro song? I looked online and it says about 600 is how many you need to break it. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Check! Ow! 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 Oh. Uh-oh. Chad, it looks like a crime scene. Oh. 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 Oh.